Hey fam, this is me again, Jo, and welcome back to another episode of Filipino Mindset. Today, we're going to dive into a world where color, creativity, and imagination collide. But before we get into it, I have a question for you. Have you ever wondered what goes on in the mind of an artist when they're staring at a blank canvas? Well, today, we're sitting down with someone who's mastered the art of tuning that blank space into pure magic. So, get ready to meet Julian Eusebio.
I'm Judy Ann Eusebio and graduate ako ng Fine Arts, major ko painting. Tagal na rin akong nagpipaint. Ayun yung background ko, no. I'm a full-time artist. Sumasali ako sa mga exhibit, sa mga mural,
Okay.
and tumatanggap ako ng mga commission. Ang art para sa akin, sobrang ganda, sobrang lawak niya kung titingnan. Kumbaga sa maliit na butas, meron pa siyang, sa pinakadulo nun, meron pa siyang mas malawak, no? Meron pa siyang mas malawak na ganda na makikita doon. Kaya, parang lagi ko tinatanong, ano yung butas na yun? Ano yung ganda na yun? Kaya, yun, kaya pinupush ko, gusto kong marating kung ano yung art na yun para sa akin.
Alright, fam, the moment we've all been waiting for. Today, we're going to create something special. And grab your brushes because we're going to start painting now.
Michelle,
Okay, first things first, what do we need? What do we need? What do you call this, by the way?
Easel. E-A-S-E-L.
Easel.
Oo.
Okay, this one is easel. We're going to put our canvas in here. Is that right?
And then, ito yung ating palette. Natuturo mo sa
Palette.
kanila.
This one is palette.
Palette.
And then
the brushes.
Brushes. All kinds of brushes. And then, what else do we have? Tissue. Do we need some
para
tissue?
sa ano natin.
Okay, we need tissues.
Acrylic.
Acrylic. Okay.
Gagamit tayo ng
So,
acrylic.
we're gonna use acrylic today. And by the way, Manang, do you really suggest acrylic for beginners or
Yeah.
watercolor? Why do you think acrylic is the best?
Ang acrylic talaga, kasi hindi tayo pwedeng mag-oil or watercolor. No?
Okay.
Kasi dyan sa acrylic, pang-beginner lang talaga siya. No?
Okay.
Ganun.
She said acrylic is for beginners. So we're gonna use acrylic today.
Mm-mm.
And okay, let's start.
Okay.
And then brushes, and then what is it?
Water. Ito yung paghugas
Okay,
ng mga
okay.
brush.
Okay, water for the brushes, and then
the paint.
yeah, paints. We have different colors in here, and then yeah.
Let's
So
start.
okay, let's start.
Okay, upo ka muna dyan.
Okay. I'll
And,
sit in here,
yes. Wait.
and then
Wait lang. But first, we have to use
this
para madumihan.
just to be sure our clothes will still be clean after. Okay, ready.
Okay.
Let's go. And for beginners, what do you suggest to paint? Is it flowers? Is it
Ano yung gusto mo? Halimbawa, yung kaya mong gawin, kailangan meron kang idea ganun.
Okay, I think I will pick mountains. Mountains with rice fields down.
Okay. So, ito yung
On this
gagamitin
side.
natin. Okay. Kailangan mo ng
What kind of brush is this one?
Flat brush.
Flat brush.
And round brush. Yung ating pamunas.
Okay.
So, kailangan mo medyo malaki.
Okay.
Yan. So,
Okay, I only need
maglalagay
these
na rin
3
tayo
brushes.
agad ng mga color.
I only need these 3 brushes.
Maglagay ka ng mga color.
Blue. I need blue. Really? I
Oo,
need blue
sige,
for
more.
mountains?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
more. Okay. Okay na, enough.
Okay. Enough.
And then, white,
And then white.
yellow. Ang
Where do I
karamihan,
need to put the white one? In this side?
oo, dyan.
Okay.
Okay. Yan.
Okay.
Ang karamihan na ginagamit ko talaga is primary color.
Okay, primary
No,
colors.
oo,
And that
primary
is
colors. Kaya ang gagamitin lang natin is, ayan lang, and blue, no? 5 colors lang talaga.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
So for beginners, let me just explain. So you only need primary colors, which are blue, yellow, black, red, and white.
para may explore mo yung mga kulay.
Okay.
Oo. Sa pamamagitan ng 5 kulay, kaya
Okay.
niyang makapag-paint ng kahit ano, violet, orange, kaya niya na yan sa 5 kulay
Okay.
lang.
Okay.
Ayan, lagay mo na rin dyan, Manang. Yan, okay na yan. White. Yellow. Okay, okay.
And then
And red. Ito. Okay. And then blue.
and then
Black.
black.
Konti lang ang black. Kasi hindi
Okay.
tayo
Let's
gaano
just put
gagamit
small
ng
amount of black.
Okay. Yan.
And then what's
Okay. Ang una nating
next?
gagawin ay yung kailangan mag-drawing ka muna. Kailangan mo
Oh,
dyan.
okay. So
Baba mo muna yan. And gagamit tayo ng pang-outline. Halimbawa,
okay.
ito.
What if your client wants a complex painting? Like beginner pa lang sila pero ang gusto na nilang i-paint yung mahirap na agad. Ano sinasabi mo sa kanila? Do you suggest it?
Hindi.
Or
Kailangan kapag
napapalitan mo?
beginner talaga, dadaan ka muna sa pinaka-basic. Basic ano muna tayo, learning. Hindi ka pwedeng magrekta agad kung saan detailed. Mas mahihirapan kang i-achieve yun. No? Kailangan mo
Okay.
munang makarating doon sa pinakauna bago ka pumunta doon sa dulo. Parang ganun. Kailangan dumaan ka muna sa basic learning, which is for beginner talaga siya. Hindi ka pwedeng lumundag agad. Ayan,
Okay, okay, okay.
ganon.
Okay, what's next?
Ayan. And then,
Mountains, done.
mountain, ano pa ba yung gusto mo dyan?
I think I want a rice field. in
Rice
here.
fields.
Yeah.
Okay, later na yan. So,
Okay.
uunahin na natin tong clouds.
Okay.
Kapag mga ganito na landscape, mauuna palagi ang clouds, no?
Oh, okay.
Ayan.
But we started with the mountains.
Yes. Ginawa natin siya para yung clouds mo, alam mo na kung hanggang saan, no? Hanggang
I
dito lang
see.
siya.
Okay.
Kasi kung hindi ka magagawa ng outline, malilito ka. Hanggang saan yung mountain, hanggang saan ka maglalagay ng mga clouds.
Okay.
So, kailangan mauna lagi ang outline, kailangan mo ng guideline para ma-visualize mo na kung hanggang saan yung mga kulay na ilalagay mo.
Okay.
Ayan. So, clouds, ayan. Wash mo muna yan. Kailangan lagi yan ay malinis. Okay. And gagamit ka nitong malaki. Yan.
Okay.
Flat brush. Ayan. Sana mag-enjoy ka, Manang.
Yeah, of course. I'm learning. I'm learning a new
First
thing.
time mo ba to? First
Yeah.
time mo?
Basta mag-draw lang ako
Okay.
ng clouds.
I-blend mo na siya. Parang ganito, Manang. No. I mean, ito yung background. Lahat yan, i-blue mo.
Okay.
Yes.
I thought I was gonna draw like
No,
this.
no. No, ayan,
Okay.
ganyan.
Okay, ganito.
No.
Ganito.
Yan.
Okay.
Lahat yan.
Oh!
Okay, more. Kasi masisira ang brush mo kapag pinilit mo nang wala na laman na paint. So, kailangan more paint. Yeah. Kaya pinapagawa kita ng marami na paint.
Okay.
Ayan. More mana. Okay, mag-mix ka ulit ng marami. And then, ang acrylic natin, kapag sinabing acrylic, mabilis matuyo. No, mabilis matuyo yan.
Okay.
And, kapag halimbawa may etong background mo, maraming maraming kulay. So, kailangan dito sa acrylic, kapag mga ganito, mag-blend ka kaagad mag-mix ka kaagad ng maraming kulay
Mm.
para hindi mo na ulitin ulit yung bagong kulay na yun or gayahin yung naunang kulay kasi mahihirapan ka. O tulad nito, ah, ah, parehas ba ng kulay yan dito sa nauna mong na-mix? O parang ganon.
Okay.
Oh,
No.
so much better na mas marami na yung color na imimix mo from the start, no?
Okay.
Lalo na pag mga ganito kalawak. Ayan, para walang part na dark, walang
Walang
part
part
na sobrang light.
light.
Oh, parang
I
parehas
see.
lang.
Okay.
Ayan. Okay. Akala ko kaliwete ka.
No.
Oh,
Right-handed.
sige more mana. Yan. Ang acrylic dapat.
Manang.
Yes.
Um,
Sige, go! It's okay lang po na lumampas, no?
okay.
Yun ang kagandahan ng acrylic. Pwede kang magpatong-patong ng mga kulay, no?
Ah.
Kahit magkamali ka, okay lang. Yun ang
Okay.
kagandahan ng acrylic.
But if watercolor or let's say oil painting.
Watercolor, medyo siya, maselan, no?
Okay.
Oo,
Sensitive.
kailangan, meron kang iiwasang mga white, no? Yung mga white na part, kailangan iwasan yun. O yung mga highlight doon sa watercolor. Medyo maselan. O, pag oil, marami ng kailangan. O, dito sa acrylic, ang kagandaan dito, pwede kang magkamali. Yeah.
Okay. It's okay to make mistakes.
Yes.
Okay.
Pero iwasan din natin yun kasi once na matuyo yan, wala ka ng ulit ka ulit talaga sa umpisa. Oo,
Okay.
lalo na kung ganito kalawak.
Okay, Manang, how do I know that it's okay now?
Hindi pa siya okay dahil meron pa siyang mga white, no? So, lalagan mo yan more on white na lang dito. And mag-add ka dyan ng konting water. Yan po ang acrylic. Yan. Oh, hindi, no. Yan, and then mix mo dito. Ayan yung pinaka-ano niya. Yan yung magpapalambot sa acrylic, no? Yung water. Ayan. So, i-blend mo na yan, manang. Ito, kaya nag-light na yan. Ito, siya na yung nagsusilbing ibang ulap. Oo,
Okay.
yan na yun. Kaya medyo light na yan. Siguro.
Manang, for online,
Mm.
you talk about like teaching
Mhm.
students online.
Mhm.
How do you charge them? How much?
Ah,
Is it an hour or a day?
yes, oo.
Per hour?
Sa mga online art class ko, per hour, no?
Per
Per hour
hour,
yung
okay.
bayad. And, pero ang pinaka-ano ko talaga dyan is 2 hours,
2
no?
hours maximum.
Oo, maximum ko is 2 hours.
What do you mean? You suggest that if like, for example, I'm a student, if I book an online class for you, you suggest that you book for 2 hours because it takes time. Na pang 2 oras talaga yung minimum mo na dapat ibo-book mo.
Parang yun depende yan. Halimbawa, sa 2 hours na yun, no, klaro na sa 2 hours na yun, bayad na yun, no?
Mm-mm.
And then, kapag gusto mo ng
Extend.
sumobra pa, oo, yun, parang per hour, no? Dagdag per hour yun sa
Okay.
bayad. O, ganun.
What if I only want to book 30 minutes? Is that okay?
Sa 30 minutes naman, parang lang, half. Half
Okay.
of
But you
payment
accept
naman.
30 minutes.
Pero no.
Okay.
Oo.
It's not
Kasi
enough.
it's not enough talaga. Kasi dapat talaga kapag gusto mong magpaturo. Syempre, kapag desidido ka talagang matuto, no? Oo. Bitin yung 2 hours na yun para sa'yo. Ayun.
Okay.
So, ganun. Kailangan oras, no? Maraming oras.
How much do you charge them per hour?
Ang per hour ko is, 2 hours na lang, no?
Okay.
Sa 2 hours
For
muna,
2 hours.
500.
Okay. So
Oo,
500.
500 siya. And,
What if like foreigner would like to book? Let's say, for example, would like to book.
same.
It's still the same. You don't have like
Oo.
a foreigner price. You
Um,
don't have like that.
I think 1.5. Pwede pa yun?
1.5. Okay, 1.5 for foreigners.
Oo, kasi ano,
Yeah.
my nose will bleed,
Okay.
you know? Oo,
Okay.
kasi medyo matinding English to eh, no? Kaya lang may
Yeah.
ano ako
Yeah.
dyan. 1.5 na yan.
Okay, 1.5.
Oo, mahihirapan ako talaga.
I think it's
Ayan.
okay, no?
Wow, okay, di ba? And then, mag-a-add tayo dyan habang basa ang acrylic.
Okay.
Mag-a-add ka dyan ng white. Dito.
White.
No,
But
parang,
do I need to put it
ah,
in the water?
yes,
Dip in the
oo.
water? Okay.
You can just now, ito,
Okay. I will
small
use the
flat
other side.
brush. Okay lang yan. Dyan lang muna.
Okay. This one.
Oo.
And
And
then,
then,
I will
white.
put it
Oo. Yan.
white.
White color. Pero ganito siya. Sample, no? Ako lang muna. Halimbawa, ito, kailangan circular, no? Circular ang iyong cloud.
Oh, okay.
Ayan. And then, wag mo siya masyadong spread. Or wag mo siya masyadong i-dip yung pagkakahawak mo.
Okay.
I-press, no?
Okay.
Yung iyong brush.
Mm.
Ayan. Tap-tap mo lang yan. Ayan na yung clouds mo. And then more, no? Ito naman yung pinaka-highlight. Yun. Yan. Circular. Ikot-ikot mo lang yan. Okay. Ayan na yung clouds mo. No? Ayan. So, dito ka, no? Gagawa ng cloud. Ikot-ikot mo lang yan. Ayan. Siyempre, i-blend mo rin yung ibang part, no? Tulad yan, dito banda. Yun. Kasi may mga part na mataas, may mababa, gano'n. Yan. Para hindi siya pantay-pantay. Yan. Go, manang! Fighting!
Yeah, it's relaxing, you know.
Yeah.
It's very relaxing.
Sana hindi mag-brown.
Okay. So,
Wait naman na. Ayusin mo lang to. Lagyan mo pa dito.
okay. This side.
And then dito. Siyempre kung saan yung ating highlight. Kung saan yung araw. No? Doon ka maglalagay ng white color. Halimbawa, nandito yung araw. Yan, nandito yung araw. So, nandito yung highlight mo.
Manang, do you have days wherein you're not motivated to do? Like, I'm so lazy to do it today.
Oo
Anong
naman.
ginagawa mo nun?
Pag
Pag
ganun,
halimbawa,
parang,
hindi ka talaga inspired to paint. Wala kang maisip na inspirasyon.
natigil ko.
You stop.
Kailangan
Okay.
stop mo yun. Kasi, hindi mo talaga siya pwedeng pilitin. Lalo na kung sobrang problemado ka talaga. And ang dami mo iniisip.
Okay.
Oo. Much better na yung stop mo, pahinga ka.
Okay.
Kasi sa gawin mo, pero masisira yung painting mo.
Manang, what made you pursue art? Saan ka ba nag-start? Like, tell us about your story. Ba't ka nag-fine arts?
Ba't ako nag-fine arts? Yung totoo.
Okay. Yeah.
Yung
We love
totoo,
hearing the
hindi naman talaga ako dapat mag-fine art. Siguro fine art siya kasi architect. architect talaga yung plano ko. Yes.
Architecture. Okay.
Architect talaga kasi
Yeah.
parang gusto ko ng mga bahay talaga. Gusto
Okay.
kong parang naano ko kapag nakita ko ng mga bahay. Parang ang ganda.
Mm.
Yun naman talaga dapat. Ang nangyari, nung, nung pumunta na kami dun sa school, naubusan ako ng slot manang.
Okay.
Oo, walang architect, dapat interior designer din.
Mm-mm.
No? Ayun talaga yung nasa plano ko is kung walang architect, interior designer. Naubusan din ako.
And then let's say, for example, you have an interested client but overseas, how do you send it over to them? Do you already have a client from the overseas?
Meron.
Okay.
Oo,
Okay.
nakapag-ano na tayo sa ibang bansa.
Nakapag-sell ka na ng
Sa
painting.
Qatar, and sa Japan,
Wow,
no,
okay.
meron. And,
One I saw in your Facebook that someone from the US also,
meron.
like a painting of a wedding, wedding picture. Yeah, so
Meron. Ayun, ano siya, kapag ganun, much better kung kapag ganyan, mas okay kung PM.
okay.
Okay.
So you will have to contact her.
Yeah, contact na lang
Later,
siya
I
na.
will post where you can contact her.
Pero,
For those who are interested.
pero much better kapag magpapagawa sila, much better na naka-roll. Roll canvas, no? Halimbawa, ito, ipapadala mo to sa plane, no? Nakaganto siya, no? Much better na kung yung tela mismo, para pwede siyang i-roll.
Wala tong ganito.
Wala.
plywood.
Wala dapat to. Much better. Kasi, mas makakarating sa client na, kumbaga, sila na mag-aasikaso ng mga frame,
Okay.
makakapag-decide pa sila kung ano yung gusto nila. Kasi, halimbawa, sa biyahe, gusto nila ng malaki. Tulad ng ganyan. Medyo hassle, no, sa biyahe.
Okay.
Kaya much better, naka-roll. No? Meron din talagang nabibili na lagayan. No? Lagayan ng mga ganun. Oo.
But let's say you're gonna roll this like painting. Is it
Tatanggalin ko
safe?
siya.
Is it safe? Or
Yes.
the color will mix up
Ay, no.
if you roll it?
No.
Okay.
Hindi siya. Okay siya. Ganito pa rin yung kalalabasan niya.
Mas safe siya. Based on the things that you've done, like you said you've already done exhibit and mural. Which one is the hardest? Like mag-exhibit or ng mga painting or mag-mural ka lang? Ano yung mas mahirap for you? What's difficult for you?
Kapag mural,
Let's say, like buong wall, like this wall.
kapag
Mas
mural,
madali ba siya sa'yo?
kapag mural, mahirap. Kasi babad pa sa araw.
Okay.
babad pa na sa araw. Nung meron kaming ginawa, kay Falcon. 9 days yun.
9 days.
9 days yun, babad pa na sa araw. Ginawa namin, parang kagaya lang sa mga nag-work, 8 hours, no? Ayun, 7 a.m. hanggang 5 p.m. yung aming time doon. So, babad ko na sa araw, and then kailangan pang iakyat-akyat yung mga gamit, no? So, malaki yung wall.
Mas challenging yung mural sa'yo compared sa, nakaupo lang ako dito.
Dito kasi maano mo siya lahat talaga. Kitang-kita mo kung ano yung mga gagawin mo. Doon, kailangan pumunta ka pa sa malayo, okay na ba yan?
Okay.
Aakyat ka ulit. Tapos baba ka ulit. Tingnan mo ulit kung okay ba to.
Okay.
Mga ganun.
Manang, since you're here in the province, ano yung challenge mo as a painter, as an artist dito? Do you think there's a lot of people here who appreciate art? Ano sa palagay mo? Mas appreciated ba yung work mo dito sa province or in Manila?
Dito sa probinsya, dahil siguro baguhan ako.
Mm.
Baguhan pa lang ako and marami na artist dito. No,
Mm.
maraming artist dito. And sila talaga yung kilala
Mm.
dito. And dahil nga baguhan ako dito and 1 year pa lang ako,
Mm.
hindi pa ako ganun kaano sa mga commission. Ang mga client ko pa rin is nasa Manila.
Okay.
Parang
Okay.
kahit nandito ako sa province, ang mga client ko pa rin is nasa Manila. So,
Mm.
dito sa province, hindi hindi pa nila nakikita in person yung mga gawa ko.
Mm. Okay.
Di in pero nung nakaraan nag-exhibit ako.
Okay. Okay.
Nag-exhibit ako nung nakaraan and maraming nakakita,
Mm.
maraming bumili.
Mm.
Kaya lang dito hindi pa ako talagang nakikilala dito.
Okay.
So, hindi pa gano'n kaano dito ang art,
Mm. Okay.
ayan, hindi pa gano'n kagusto ng mga tao. May mga nagpapagawa, portrait,
Mm.
pero yung mga ganito na painting,
Mm.
hindi pa talaga nila na-appreciate yung mga ganyan.
Okay.
Pero doon naman dun sa pinag-exhibitan ko, maraming bumili, no?
Mm.
Marami akong nabentang mga painting. And may mga naka-appreciate naman. Siguro yun yung mga sabihin natin may kaya, no?
Okay.
O kaya
Okay.
ano, mga client na nakakita na talaga ng painting noon
Mm.
pa. Pero
Oo.
dito sa ibang ano ko, dito sa lugar ko, may iba talaga na hindi pa talaga sila nakakita ng kung ano ang painting.
Mm.
No,
Okay.
ano ba itsura ng painting? Ano ba itsura ng canvas?
Mm. Okay.
Hindi pa talaga sila nakakita ng gano'n. Ayan. So, ayun, sa ngayon, um,
Ano yung steps?
pinapakilala ko siya.
Okay. Okay.
Yung mga gawa ko.
Mm.
Tayo-tayo ko ng pinapakilala pa rin dito sa province natin.
Mm.
Ayan.
Mm.
Gano'n.
Like through social media.
Mm.
Okay.
Social media, I'm more on client ko talaga is sa Manila.
Manila.
Manila talaga.
Okay.
Oo. Ayun. And doon, pinapadala ko din doon yung mga iba kong
Mga work
painting.
mo.
Oo.
Okay.
Okay, malapit na yan, mana. So, caravels. Kaya nga kapag
Mm.
mga ganyan painting, yung merong iba dyan na, uy, pahingi ako ng painting mo.
Mm.
Pahingi ako ng ganito. Pwede bang ganito na lang? Pwede bang ganyan
Okay.
na lang? Kasi,
Tinatawaran nila.
oo, hindi nila alam yung paghihirap mo bago
Mm.
ka nakabuo niyan. Tapos
Okay.
hihingiin lang nila, di ba? Yun yung problema sa
Na-offend ka
iba.
dun?
Oo,
Na-offend ka dun?
oo.
Okay. As
Laluan siya
black.
na blush. Sige, ihalo mo na lang dyan wait, ihalo mo na lang dyan pag ganyan, kapag alam mong wala na, wag mo na siyang pilitin. Mag-mix ka na lang ulit ng bago. Yan. Yan. Kung paano ko tuturuan, ganun din ako sa mga estudyante ko.
Okay.
Hmm. Lalo na kapag one-on-one, mga ganito din. Yan. Okay na yan. After that,
Okay.
yan, okay na.
And then,
And, gagamit naman tayo ng mahabang, ito, yan, pointed brush, no? Okay, pointed brush. Ito, para yan sa mga details ng damo.
do you have a client
Hmm.
na tinanggihan mo?
Meron.
You say no. Why?
Yes.
Why did you say
Oo,
no?
kasi lalo na pag lalo na pag alam kong parang imposible yung kanyang pinapagawa. Parang,
Okay.
oo, parang ganun.
Like, what do you mean impossible? Like, for example, she has a
Halimbawa,
time frame, like she want she wanted it she wanted to finish for a couple of weeks, but the painting
hindi,
needs to.
meron akong tinanggihan, meron akong tatanggihan na client, lalo na kung sobrang hirap ng pinapagawa niya, pero
Mm.
yung presyo,
Ah,
oo. So,
okay.
it's
You didn't agree with
unfair,
the
oo.
price. Ah, okay.
Unfair yun sa akin. Kasi parang,
Okay.
alam mo yun, pinagtrabahuan ko to ng ilang taon. Tapos,
Oo. You
parang yung,
studied, yeah. All right, fam. So this is what we've done. This is the finished product. It's already dry, and this is not for sale.
yeah!
I think it's a success. So come here, Manang. Please explain this painting. And are you selling this one?
Yes! So po, binibenta ko lahat ng nandyan.
Okay, so
Yeah.
everything in here is for sale. Let's.
Wait lang. Yeah.
Okay, so everything in here is for sale. This one is. What is this, Manang? Acrylic?
Oil.
Ah, this
Oil
one
po
is oil
yan.
painting.
Lahat ng flower ko, oil.
Okay.
Ito, oil. Yan.
Okay, can you show us your oil painting first?
Yeah.
This one. And how much is this one? Let's say
Pag mga ganyan, binibenta ko siya
oil
mga,
painting.
mga 18.
18K.
Oo,
This one is 18K. And this two
18.
also.
Meron ng frame yun.
And by the way,
Mm-mm.
this is 18K with a frame.
Mm-mm.
But let's say without a frame, how much is it?
15 na lang.
15K.
Oo.
15K without a frame. What about this one?
Ito. Yan. And ito. No. Ayan. Ano yan? Alam mo naman kung ano yan. Mount Mayon.
Yeah.
Oo.
This one is very famous.
Sabihin mo.
And-
in Philippines.
And this is Mount Mayon. This is located in Bicol. And how much is it, Manang? Is this oil painting also?
No,
This one is
acrylic lang
acrylic.
yan.
So this one is a bit.
10.
This one is 10.
Oo.
10,000.
Ito din. 10 din yan.
Okay, we're having a live selling. We're having a live selling. And this one is also acrylic, right?
Yes.
And this one is for how much is that?
10 din yan.
10,000 pesos. Please mine it. Mine it for those interested.
Yes. Ito yung mga mini painting ko. Mini.
And this one is mini
yeah.
painting.
Still life. Still life yan. Okay.
How much is it?
7.
7K. Acrylic.
Yes.
All of it are acrylic.
yan.
Everything is acrylic.
Yeah.
Lemon.
Yan.
Strawberries.
Ito.
And what else do you have in here?
Ito, gouache.
Gouache.
Gouache paint.
Gouache paint. And how much is it? What do you mean by gouache? Can you explain?
Yung
Gouache
gouache parang siyang, pwede kang mag-acrylic, pwede ka rin mag-watercolor.
Okay.
Yun
So,
yung gouache.
gosh. So, it's a mix of acrylic and watercolor. Is that
Oo.
what you mean? Okay.
Yan.
So, how
pakita
much is it,
natin.
Manong?
Yan. Ito, ano lang, 8 lang yan.
Oh, this one is
Oo.
8,000.
Mm.
Not that expensive, huh? And what else do you have?
Ito, yung kalabaw.
Kalabaw. This one is oil painting. And what's the size of this one?
2x3.
2 by 3.
2x3
And this is
siya.
an oil painting. And as you can see, this is a farmer.
Box
And then
type canvas.
Box.
Canvas.
Okay.
Canvas.
box type canvas.
Oo.
And the inspiration of this is our farmers.
Yes.
Yeah. Look,
Ito
lovely,
yung
isn't it?
pinakamasipag dito sa Mindoro.
Ah, okay. Did you take a photo of him first before you draw?
Oo.
Okay, nice. It's a beautiful,
Yeah.
beautiful painting.
Thank you.
And then, you didn't say how much is that one.
Okay.
That one
Ayan,
is
45.
45,000. 45,000.
Oh.
And then, what's this size, Manang?
Ayan, 12 by 38.
12 by 38. So this one is acrylic.
Oil. Oil yan.
By the way, how can I distinguish if this is an oil or acrylic?
Siguro malalaman mo yan sa kapal. No? Yung texture.
Okay.
And then yung pagbe-blend niya.
Yeah. This one is oil painting. And
Oil
this,
yan.
how much is it?
Ilapit mo lang. Yan pa siya. Ayan. Ayan. So, eto. 30 na lang yan.
30,000. 30,000 pesos. Comment down below for those interested. And then the other one.
Wala. Hindi yan binibenta.
Okay. That one is not for sale.
It's our home lang
You
yan.
cannot see it.
For our home.
That one is not for sale.
And this
Actually,
one.
he has a lot that is not for sale in here.
How about this?
This one.
That?
No, I'm not gonna sell this because this is my first time
Wow.
trying out painting, and yeah, it's very special. You teach me.
Paano kung i-offer nila? Bili ko yan. 30.
No,
What?
this is not for sale.
Thank you for inviting me here.
That's it for today's video, fam. I hope you enjoyed this episode. And all of this are for sale. If you guys are interested, I will put in the description below where you can contact her. And yeah, everything in here is for sale except for the one I made. And yeah, anything else you want to add?
Okay. Thank you everyone for watching this content. No? And I hope na meron din kayong natutunan sa ating video.
Yeah. And you can book an online class with her, anything you want to know regarding with the painting for those of you who are interested with art. And yeah, that's it for today's video, and hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.